Biljana Crvenkovska, and this is my author challenge for Sodobnost International. Okay, this is my book, Nevidna hiša. In Macedonian it is Nevidljivata kuća. I wrote it in 2021, and so far I have written a lot of books for children and adults, probably over 70, maybe over 80 books. That's a lot. And this is one of my favorite books for children, actually, because the plot is very, let's say, emotional. This is a story about the little girl Kala, who is forced to leave her home because there's a war in her country, and she and her parents must flee before the war because they don't feel safe there anymore. I can tell you something about myself. I'm not only a writer, but I'm also a screenwriter. So I'm writing scripts. Those are the texts according to which series and cartoons and movies are made from. And I have written a lot of children's series in Macedonia, and I wrote my feature film script this summer together with the director of the movie. I hope it will be a great movie. It's for adults, not for children. And I'm also an editor, a translator. I love nature. I go hiking. I'm riding my mountain bike. I love animals, and I have this beautiful, cute, naughty cat called Max. I love him, but he's always biting me and playing with me, and I miss him now. I'll tell you now a story about this book when I was writing it. And I first had this idea in my head about what should this book be about. And I talked with the illustrator of this book. His name is Vane Kosturanov. I told him the idea, and he said that he likes it. And then I said, okay, then I'll write the text and I'll send it to you so you can start drawing the illustrations. But the first version of the text that I wrote was much longer, and it was explaining some things that might be said through illustration, that illustration can show, but I was also explaining them, and he read it and he said, it's a beautiful text, but you should leave me some space. I would like to say something as well. And then I made shorter text, so this illustration in the book can tell a story of their own. So instead of explaining what the illustration are showing, I cut that part. I just gave him some, let's say, hints what the illustration should show, but then I left him to do the work, and he made this beautiful, beautiful illustration of this emotional story. So, here they are. And also there is one curiosity about this book, because I intend to have a cat in all the books I'm writing, for children and for adults and everywhere. And here I didn't have a cat in the story, but then I decided to add a cat in the end, so there can be a cat in the story. So here is the cat. so I'm coming now to my challenge. The challenge is the following. When you open this book and when you read the quote in the beginning, the quote is saying, this is a quote from another book, from another author that I liked a lot, and it inspired me to write this book. And this quote is talking about the whole idea of this story. That is that this girl is leaving her home, she is leaving her grandparents, her bunnies away, left behind, but she is keeping all these things and all these people that matter to her in her head. She is building her home in her head and in her heart, and she's putting all these things inside that imaginary home, and she's keeping them forever, and they are always with her. So my challenge for today is, I would like to ask you to build your imaginary home, to draw it or to write about it, the one in your head, in your heart, and just to fill it up with all the things that matter to you, with your toys, with your family, with your pets, with everything that you would like to keep always with you and carry always with you. So write or draw, and that's the challenge. So, for example, how can you do this challenge? You can, let's say, if I do it, I will draw my house. I have this house that I like a lot, and it's near a beautiful lake. So I will draw this house and I will draw this lake, and inside I will draw or write about my family, about my cat Max, about my bike that I always have with me, and about the books I love. I have very favorite books, and probably I will put inside some plants and some other stuff that are very dear to me. Okay, so draw, write. I hope you will enjoy this challenge. All your works, please send them to Sodobnost International, and they will send it to me. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram, and you can find my author profile on Goodreads if you just write Biljana S. Crvenkovska. You have it here on the book, and you'll find me on Goodreads.